Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your OPPO Enco Air 3 so quiet? Firstly, I recommend to clean the grill. Right here we have it. You can use a brush, or if you haven't cleaned tool, you can use a toothbrush and clean this grill. At this channel we have video how to clean this earbud, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video. Next, maybe the problem is that your earbuds just too old, and maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem only with one earbud, we can I have solution for it. It's not totally fixed, but it will help you. Is to change audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part also to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility, what located under the General settings. Maybe you need to scroll down a bit. Enter into Accessibility, then scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, but you need to find a good balance for you, because right now we increase the volume for the left earbud and lower it for the right. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. If you have the problem with the right earbud, just move this dot to the right, and also you need to find a good balance here. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then you need to scroll down, because we need to find Accessibility. At least on stock Android I have it at the bottom. Enter into Accessibility, then scroll down again, and we need to find Audio Adjustment, what on stock Android also located at the bottom. Here we go, click at the Audio Adjustment, and right here we have Audio Balance. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance, because right now we increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And if you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. If you had the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the right, the same as with the right one. We just increase the volume for the right, but lower it, we increase it for the left, but lower it for the right. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!